Next is paragraph for question number 51 and 52. Here it is given that let A and B vector are two non-zero, non-collinear vectors in xy plane and a unit vector C be in space such that scalar triple product ABC is 1. Also, A vector dot B vector is root 7 and A cross B vector cross C vector cross K cap is equal to 2I cap plus 3J cap. Then C is collinear with the vector. Now, here it has been given that A vector cross B vector cross C vector cross K cap is equal to 2I cap plus 3J cap. Now, this can be written as scalar product A, B, K cap, C vector minus A, B, C vector dot K cap is equal to 2I cap plus 3J cap. So, we can say that scalar triple product A vector, B vector, K cap, C vector as scalar triple product ABC is given to be equal to 1. So, taking minus K cap on the right hand side, this is equal to 2I cap plus 3J cap plus K cap. So here it can be seen that scalar triple product is a scalar quantity. So C vector is collinear with the vector 2I cap plus 3J cap plus K cap. So option number B is the correct answer. Let's discuss question number 52 now. Here we have to find the angle between the vectors A and B vector. So we have just found out that scalar triple product of A vector, B vector, K cap, C vector is equal to 2I cap plus 3J cap plus K cap. If we take magnitude on both sides, so we will get A vector, B vector, K cap will be equal to under root of 4 plus 9 plus 1, that is root 14. Rather, it will be plus minus root 14. So this is equal to A cross B dot K vector. So A cross B K cap is equal to plus minus root 14. Taking modulus on both sides, we will get A vector multiplied with modulus of B vector into sine theta will be equal to root 14. Also, in the equation, as it is given that A vector dot B vector is root 7, so we can say that A vector multiplied with B vector into cos theta is equal to root 7. So, dividing these two equations, we will get tan theta equal to root 2, which means that theta is equal to tan inverse root 2. Hence, from the given options, option number D is the correct answer. Next is paragraph for question number 53 and 54. Here it has been given that 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube whole raised to the power 100 is equal to a naught plus a1x plus a2x square and so on up till a300 x raised to the power 300. So we have to find the value of 100 c naught into a naught plus 100 c1 into a1 and so on. Right. To find the value of this expression, let us write the expansion of x plus 1 whole raised to the power 100. So this is equal to 100 c naught x raised to the power 100 plus 100 c1 into x raised to the power 99 and so on. So let us take this equation as 1 and this is 2. So if we multiply equation number 1 with 2 and find coefficient of x raised to the power 100 from it, so we will get the value of the expression that has been asked. So let's find coefficient of x raised to the power 100 in 1 multiplied with equation 2. So we will get the value of 100 c naught into a naught plus 100 c1 into a1 and so on. So this is equal to coefficient of x raised to the power 100 in, as we can see that this can be written as 1 minus x into 1 plus x square raised to the power 100. So it when multiplied with 1 plus x raised to the power 100, we will get 1 minus x4 raised to the power 100. So coefficient of x raised to the power 100 will be minus 100c25, that is equal to minus 100c75. So from the options, option number D is the correct answer. Next is question number 54, which says that which of the following is incorrect. So we have to check all the 4 options. Option number A says that AR is equal to A 300 minus R. Now to prove this, let us substitute x as 1 by x in equation number 1. So we will get 1 minus 1 by x plus 1 by x square minus 1 by x cube whole raised to the power 100 is equal to a naught plus a1 upon x plus a2 upon x square and so on up till a 300 divided by x raised to the power 300. So taking x raised to the power 300 common in the denominator and cancelling on both sides, we will be left with x cube minus x square plus x minus 1 raised to the power 100 equal to a naught into x raised to the power 300 plus a1 into x raised to the power 299 and so on. So for equation 1 and 2, left hand side of both are equal, right? So right hand side will also be equal, which means that a 300 is equal to a naught and a1 is equal to a 299 and so on, which means that AR is equal to a 300 minus R, that is option number A is correct. Let's now check option number B, in which we have to compare the coefficients of x cube and x5. So coefficient of x cube, that is A3, will be equal to minus 100c3 minus 100c1 into 100c1. Similarly, let's find coefficient of x raised to the power 5, that is A5 is equal to minus 100c5 minus 100c3 into 100c1 minus 100c1 into 100c2. So comparing these two, we can check without solving that A3 is greater than A5, right? So in option number B, it has been given that A5 is greater than A3, which means that this is an incorrect option, which means that option B is our correct answer. Here we can check option number C also by putting in equation 1 as x equal to 1 and then putting x equal to minus 1 and then subtracting those two equations, we will get the value given in option number C. Also, for checking option number D, we can multiply the equation given in 1 with x and then differentiate it, right? So in this way we can solve this question. I hope all the queries of this paper are clear to you. Thank you for watching.